Welcome to Chapter 4 of our lecture series on cell structure and function. Today, we will be exploring the fascinating world of cells, their history, and their various organelles and features. We'll also delve into the unique characteristics of plant cells. So, without further ado, let's dive right in. In Section 1, we will take a journey through the history of cell biology. We'll discuss the remarkable discovery of cells, which revolutionized our understanding of life. We will also explore the development of the cell theory, which laid the foundation for modern cell biology. Lastly, we'll highlight the contributions of notable scientists who have shaped our knowledge in this field. In Section 2, we will start by understanding what exactly a cell is and explore the two main types of cells, prokaryotic and eukaryotic. We'll discuss their similarities and differences, as well as their unique characteristics. Additionally, we'll explore the various structures and functions that make up a typical cell. Section 3 will focus on the diverse organelles and features found within cells. We'll start by examining the nucleus and nucleolus, the command centers of the cell. Then, we'll discuss the endoplasmic reticulum, the Golgi apparatus, mitochondria, lysosomes, vacuoles, and the cytoskeleton. Each of these structures plays a crucial role in the functioning and organization of the cell. Lastly, in Section 4, we will explore the unique features that distinguish plant cells from other types of cells. We'll discuss the cell wall, which provides structural support, as well as the presence of chloroplasts, which enable photosynthesis. Additionally, we'll highlight the central vacuole, a large organelle that contributes to the storage and maintenance of plant cells. In Section 1, titled The History of Cell Biology, our objectives are to gain an understanding of some key aspects related to the history and significance of cells. Let's take a closer look at our objectives. Objective 1. We will start by naming the scientists who made the groundbreaking observations of both living and non-living cells. These scientists played a pivotal role in unraveling the mysteries of the microscopic world. Objective 2. Next, we will summarize the research that led to the development of the cell theory. This theory represents a significant milestone in the field of biology and provided a solid framework for our understanding of cells. Objective 2. Next, we will summarize the research that led to the development of the cell theory. This theory represents a significant milestone in the field of biology and provided a solid framework for our understanding of cells. Objective 3. We will then discuss the three principles of the cell theory. Understanding these principles is crucial to comprehending the fundamental characteristics and functions of cells. Objective 4. Lastly, we will explore why the cell is considered the basic unit of life. We will delve into the reasons behind this designation and grasp the significance of cells as the building blocks of all living organisms. By the end of this section, you will have a clearer understanding of the historical context, the cell theory, and the importance of cells as the foundation of life. So let's get started and dive into the fascinating history of cell biology. The discovery of cells is a crucial milestone in the field of biology. It revealed that all living organisms, including plants, animals, and even humans, are composed of one or more cells. This groundbreaking realization fundamentally changed our understanding of life itself. The cell, as defined by this discovery, is the smallest unit capable of carrying out all the processes necessary for life. It is a highly complex and organized structure that performs a wide range of functions, allowing organisms to grow, reproduce, and maintain homeostasis. By recognizing the cell as the smallest unit of life, we gained insight into the incredible diversity and complexity found within organisms. The study of cells has provided a wealth of knowledge about the mechanisms that drive life and has paved the way for advancements in various scientific disciplines. In 1665, Robert Hooke, an English scientist, made a significant observation. While examining slices of cork under a microscope, he noticed small, box-like structures that reminded him of the cells in a monastery. These structures, which he named cells, marked the first recorded observation of cells. Although Hooke's observations were limited to dead plant cells, This discovery laid the foundation for further exploration into the world of cells. Another remarkable scientist, Anton van Leeuwenhoek, took the study of cells to a whole new level. In 1673, using his handmade microscopes, Leeuwenhoek became the first person to observe living cells. He focused his observations on a variety of microorganisms, which he called animalcules. These tiny organisms, which we now refer to as protists, provided valuable insights into the existence of microscopic life forms. Now, let's delve into the profound concept known as the cell theory, which provides a framework for our understanding of cells. The cell theory, formulated in the mid-19th century, consists of three fundamental principles. 1. All living organisms are composed of one or more cells. 2. Cells are the basic units of structure and function in living organisms. 3. Cells arise from pre-existing cells. This theory revolutionized biology and became the cornerstone of modern cell biology. Let's take a closer look at the scientists who contributed to the development of the cell theory. In 1838, the German botanist Matthias Schleiden observed various plant tissues under the microscope. Based on his observations, he concluded that all plants were composed of cells. This realization laid the groundwork for the concept of cellular organization in plants. Around the same time, in 1839, the zoologist Theodor Schwann conducted similar investigations on animal tissues. He independently arrived at the same conclusion as Schleiden, proposing that all animals are also composed of cells. Schwann's work extended the cell theory to encompass animal organisms. In 1855, the German physician and biologist Rudolf Virchow further expanded the cell theory. He proposed that cells can arise from pre-existing cells, a concept known as cell division or cell reproduction. This principle highlighted the continuous nature of cell existence and the importance of cell division in growth, development, and tissue repair. Together, the contributions of Schleiden, Schwann, and Virchow solidified the cell theory, which remains one of the fundamental principles in biology to this day. The cell theory not only outlines the fundamental principles regarding the existence and origin of cells, but also highlights the importance of cells as the building blocks of life. It provides a deeper understanding of the characteristics and functions shared by all living organisms. All living things exhibit certain common features that can be attributed to the cellular organization and activities within their systems. These features include organization. Living organisms possess organized parts, ranging from cells to tissues, organs, and organ systems. Cells are the fundamental units that contribute to the overall organization and functioning of an organism. Energy utilization. Living organisms acquire and utilize energy from their surroundings. This energy is necessary for carrying out various processes within cells, such as metabolism, growth, and reproduction. Chemical reactions. Cells are involved in a wide array of chemical reactions that enable them to carry out their essential functions. These reactions include nutrient uptake, energy conversion, waste elimination, and synthesis of biological molecules. Change. Living organisms exhibit changes over time, including growth, development, and aging. Cells undergo division and differentiation, contributing to the overall changes observed in an organism throughout its life cycle. Response to the environment. Cells and organisms can respond to external stimuli in their environment. They have the ability to detect and react to changes in their surroundings, allowing them to adapt and survive in various conditions. Reproduction. Living organisms have the ability to reproduce, either asexually or sexually, to ensure the continuation of their species. Cells play a crucial role in the reproduction of organisms through processes such as mitosis and meiosis. Understanding these cellular characteristics provides insights into the commonalities and interconnectedness of all living organisms. The cell theory, with its principles and the cellular basis of life, forms the foundation of our understanding of the complexity and diversity of life on Earth.